Fundamental rights. These rights come under the Part 3rd of Constitution of India. These rights are from Article 12 to Article 35 of Constitution of India. These are the rights that are guaranteed by Constitution of India to the citizen of state. In Article 12, there is definition of state. State shall be considered as any authority, legislature, parliament, or any competent local authority. Under Article 13, law inconsistent with fundamental right is will be null and void. Any law which is against the fundamental right is inconsistent, and inconsistent law will be void. However, any amendment to the Constitution under Article 368 will not be considered as inconsistent to fundamental right. In fundamental right, the first right conferred by the Constitution is equality before law. Equality before law is inconsistent with rule of law. That is, any citizen, regardless of their sex, their age, their race, their caste, are equal before law. Equality before law can be stated in two concepts: positive concept and negative concept. Positive concept is every person is looked with by the same eye by law. In negative concept, however, state cannot discriminate between the people on the basis of their sex, their caste, and their religion or else. Equal protection of law is guaranteed by USA, while rule of law and that is equality before law is based on rule of law, which was the concept of British Parliament. Next fundamental right is prohibition of discrimination. That it is a negative law in which the state cannot discriminate between the citizen of India on the basis of their religion, race, caste, sex, and place of birth. This law also states that the citizen cannot be restricted from access of any public place of entertainment such as shop, restaurant, or else any place which is maintained by state fund, partially or wholly, cannot be denied its access to the citizen of India. Anybody, any citizen of India can have access to any tank, well, or road maintained wholly or partially by the state. Furthermore, the prohibition of discrimination does not deny the state to form any law for the well-being of women and children. Further, state can also form law for the well-being of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. This should not be considered as discrimination. State can also form laws to benefit the person of ST and SC categories for their educational upliftment. Next law conferred under fundamental rights is equality of opportunity. Any public employment under the state or state government will ensure equality of opportunity to all citizens. No citizen can be discriminated on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Furthermore, in this fundamental right, state can provide reservation for the welfare of backward classes. state can also form reservation laws for promotion of ST and SC. Even more, state can form special provision for appointment of special classes to an employment. Next article is Article 13, in which abolish untouchability. Untouchability was made as offence which is punishable under law under Article 17 of Constitution of India. Article 18 states that no title should be conferred by the state. Furthermore, any citizen of India cannot accept a title from foreign state. Any citizen of India cannot accept any emolument from foreign state, even if he or she is carrying any office of profit under state. He can only get some title or emolument with the permission of president. These two rights are also inconsistent with equality before law, so that person could not be discriminated on the basis of titles conferred by the state. It also guarantees equality of the citizen of India. Next right guaranteed under fundamental rights is right of freedom. There are 6 freedoms guaranteed in the Constitution of India. Every citizen has freedom of speech and expression, assemble peacefully without arm, and they can a citizen of India can form association and organization. They can move freely to territory of India. Within the territory of India, they can settle anywhere within the territory of India, and they have Indian citizens have freedom of trade and business practices of their choice in India. There was another right in this segment, that was right to possess property, which was abolished by constitutional amendment. Next right guaranteed by Constitution of India is protection in respect to conviction from any offences, and then the right is personal liberty, that is